If you need to reset your password on Iterable, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Iterable login page using your web browser. This is where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Iterable account. Make sure to input it correctly to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Iterable to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and click on the link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set your new password. Now you can log into your Iterable account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Iterable support for assistance.